Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. The feel is your way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
Babes, today's video is sponsored by Nadula. They sent me a bomb wig for y'all. As you can see in the intro, it's super versatile and I was just blown away and excited by this wig. Today's wig is their upgraded 7x5 pre-plucked, pre-bleached Yaki straight wig with an elastic drawstring. This is their glueless 2.0 pull and go wig. This wig is definitely a glueless wig. It is a true glueless wig. As you can see, it has a strap in the back. It has the combs and the adjustable straps, as well as the pull and go that makes the wig completely glueless and adheres it to your head. What I love is that this fits from 18 inches to 24 inches with just one cap. So it doesn't matter your head size. This wig can be adjusted to fit your head. Even if you have a small head or a bigger head, it fits quite a few different head sizes. This is a universal cap. It is a very secure. You pull to fit it for a 360 secure snug feel on your head. As you can see, this is the wig. This is without any glues. I didn't use no glue at all. This whole video it's glueless, and I was just shaking my head so I can show you guys that it's not falling off. It's super secure. I love the hairline, how it comes. I was showing you guys that it was glueless. It is a ReadyBlend hairline. It is pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and it also is pre-flattened. So the hair is just ready to go. Like, look at that hairline. I didn't add any foundation or anything to it. I just put it on my head. As you can see, it looks great instantly, and I'm just loving that. There is tons of parting space. You have 7x5 worth of parting space, so it goes pretty deep. You can do a center part, a side part. You can do different updos in the middle of it, half up, half down. So that's what you call those. The hair is super versatile, and the greatest part is, guys, there is no glues. This is a truly glueless unit. I am just in love with that. The length and also the density of this hair will be included in the description box below, so definitely check that out if you want all the details. This is a Yaki texture. It can take heat. I use my flat irons on 410 degrees, I believe, and it straightens beautifully. So it goes well with heat, guys. And it just looks like a silk press to me. It looks super natural, and that's the best part about it. I didn't have to do a lot of work. If you are a beginner, or if you just want your hair done without going through all the ring arounds with bleaching it, plucking it, and all that, then this is a wig for you. I feel like this is a good wig to put in your collection, because honestly, I hate gluing my hair down. I like to just pop it on my head and be out the door, honey. And then at the same time, when I come home, I can take it off so I don't have to deal with glue and all that scratching, because as of late, my scalp be so itchy. So this is the hair. I'm just straightening her. As you can see, she's straightening pretty well. The hair is super full. I love the Yaki straight look. It looks more realistic versus just like a completely straight look. It looks like it could be my hair with a silk press. And guys, I'm just straightening this hair, and then I will go ahead and show you a few styles that I did with this hair. The hair is super soft. It wasn't shedding a lot. It's full from the root to the tip of the hair, and I love that. I think because it's a Yaki straight texture, it gives it that body, that oomph, that vibe, and she is super long and full. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. This is what she's looking like with no mousse, no sprays, no gels, nothing at all. Usually on my glueless wigs, I'll put mousse on the hairline. I didn't put anything, and this looks so good. I couldn't get my center part perfect, so we're just gonna skip past that. But this hair is bomb, guys. I really love it. It looks so natural. It's so pretty on me. I'm loving this texture. And of course, I had to try another style just to see what the parting space is looking like. This is without any glue, y'all. Look at that. Do you see how clean the parting space looks? Do you see how clean the hairline looks? Love this hair. Love it. They did a really good job on the scalpage of this hair. And this is glueless. Again, I'm gonna remind y'all that this is glueless because I'm in like shock and awe that this is not glued to my head at all. And this is our last look. As you can see, she is very versatile. I love the side part. I love all the styles. Let me know which style was your favorite. If you're interested in this hair, then definitely check it out. It's definitely worth it. This is a nice wig. Like, this is nice, y'all. I'm not gonna hold you. Huge shout outs to Nadula for sponsoring us. Check the description box down below so you can find all the links directly to this hair. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Nadula.